Hello! I am just unboxing my new Ultimate Direction Ultra belt 4.0 Signature Series. I ordered it from REI. They were having a sale, 20% off sale, and it was $42.18 US from the price that was on REI, and I got the medium to large, and I just took it out of the REI bag, and here it is. Let's see. And again, it's made of that really light, very comfortable material as the mountain belt and the adventure pocket that I reviewed. And it's got that mesh back, which is really lightweight. It's see-through. And it has 2 water bottle holder pockets. And this one comes with soft flasks, which is very exciting because the mountain belt had a hard flask, which I like because they're easier to take on and off, but it's kind of heavier and bulkier. So, I don't know. Hopefully this will work. It seems soft, nice soft flask, so it'll be a lot more comfortable to wear. But we'll see how it works in terms of being able to take on and off. It has an elastic. Oh, I have to cut off the thing that holds it, but the plastic zip tie, but it also has a bungee to hold it in place. And it has one pocket, and I wanted something not as big, and it's got one big pocket which is smaller than the mountain bag, but it's still pretty good size. And it's got the one zip, and it's still got the outside bungee that's really great for holding things and for cinching things down. This outside bungee is very nice. It has one big pocket inside. There's no interior pockets. So this will be for just light days that I don't have to worry about carrying things. And I'm sure when I take out, I can use the extra pockets either for water or for other things. So I thought that would be handy for when I didn't need as much. Oh, and the belt part just came off, so I guess you can affix it or not. And I got the medium to large. How does this work? And let's see. So it's got a little different belt design here. Not sure how it works, and I'm kind of oh, that's weird. Even though it's a medium to large, it's not that big of a belt system. So let's see. The Velcro, you can do both sides and undo both sides. Which is, I think, different than the mountain belt, which is affixed. And then it's really not that big for a medium to large. Like, it does not have much extra room on this Velcro, but it's big enough for me, which is good. And I guess you can Velcro it, wear it in different ways, but it again has a key holder pouch here, which is teeny tiny, and with a teeny weeny Velcro. And it's a little more stretchy, but that is still not going to hold much. Let's see. Let's see if it holds my car key fob. I kind of doubt it. No, it's still way too small for anything but maybe chapstick. That is teeny. This, like, supposedly key holder. Teeny tiny. Smaller than the last one, but anyway, I'm really enjoying my Mountain Belt. And I really like how light they are and adjustable. This one actually is not as comfy as the Mountain Belt because the belt part is not affixed the same to the pack. But I'm sure it's going to be comfy. And I will have to try it out and let you know. So that's for in case I don't need as much, and it gives the option of 2 pockets, 2 bottles, and soft flasks. We'll see how it works, and I'll get back to you. Okay, bye.